We're going to start this by making a cucumber juice, and that's going to start with a fresh cucumber. I like to use an English cucumber, also sometimes called a hothouse cucumber. I peel most of the skin from the cucumber. You don't have to be exact about it. Pop all those in there, and then I'm going to add anywhere from 2 tablespoons up to a quarter cup of water. Run it through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl or a glass measuring cup like I have here. That's going to leave you with the cucumber juice that you're going to put into your cucumber margarita. Rim your glass with some lime and then dip it right in that kosher salt so that it adheres to the rim of your glass. And then add some ice cubes to a cocktail shaker. Then you're going to add 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, 2 ounces of that cucumber juice, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, pinch of kosher salt, half an ounce of Cointreau, and then about a 1/4 ounce of a light agave syrup. You're going to shake this vigorously for about 20 or 30 seconds. Strain the cucumber margarita into that glass. I like a little extra lime in mine, so I squeezed an extra little wedge there. And then I'm going to strain this in here, and you can see how beautiful and bright green this cocktail is. You're going to love it.